I'm the Journal-Sentinel's Carol Deptolla at the table. A young couple bought an old bar in West Bend and completely remodeled it and modernized it, though they do display some vintage signs and such that they found in the basement. They called it West Bend Tap and Tavern. It sounds like a bar, and it kind of has that bar vibe when you walk in, and it does have a half dozen craft beers on tap, more by the bottle, but it definitely emphasizes food. The kitchen goes to the trouble of making its own grainy mustard, its own spicy ketchup, even its own fresh mozzarella. Sauces and dressings are made in-house, like a very nice honey vanilla dressing for the roast beet salad. They make a beer cheese dip for pretzel sticks that are served hot. A taste of the soups makes it obvious that they're made from scratch, too. West Bend Tap has comfort food and bar food type entrees, and it does a very nice duck breast with roasted root vegetables and braised red cabbage. It wouldn't be a bar without a burger, and theirs is really good, a thick half-pound patty. One version called the breakfast burger puts bacon, cheese, a fried egg, and their house-made potato tots on there. It's kind of unruly in a good way. For JS Online, I'm Carol Deptolla.